Hello, my gorgeous people. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you my glossy box. I think this one is for the November. I'm wondering what I got. And also my micro needling pen that I got it pretty cheap. So I just wanted to share with you where you can get it that is safe and pen that actually works too. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is not for the November. This is Bumble&Bumble. Those products. This is like a special box they sent. That I ordered. With the products for hair. That's how it look like. And I ordered this actually for the Christmas. This one is supposed to have all products for curly hair, which is obviously also not mine. But it's gonna be for Christmas for my girls. They don't know yet, so I hope they don't hear. Let me open them. Alright, so normally full-size product of this one is the price of the whole box. So one product is about $30, I think. They are pretty expensive. This is shampoo, so it's a full version of the shampoo, moisturizing shampoo for curly hair, and then full size of the 3-in-1 conditioner. So these two products will be already like $60, and I pay for this I'm not sure how much. I'm gonna post it in the description box because I don't remember. I have to check it out. Then was this little bit anti-humidity gel oil. I hope you can see. This is like a smaller version. Then reactivator. So that's probably to help with the, yeah, revive, re-energize, re-moisturize curls. And that's what it is. So it's a smaller version too. 60 milliliters. Anything else? And one more, which is the defining cream. So it's also for moisturize the hair, for flexible curls with give you the movement. This one. So all these products, 1 2 3 4 5 products that was with the box, and they have, I think, a special price for those that subscribe to monthly box. I just thought that, you know, if this is just a shampoo is $30, and the whole box with all these products is I think there was like maybe, I don't know, seriously, $30. But even though if one product is for $30, normal regular price, and the whole box with all of this is already worth it. And you know, Christmas is coming. We need some presents, right? So instead of going shopping and spending time walking around and driving around, it's just something that cuts the time for shopping. So it's good, especially for someone like me that don't have much time, working full time and taking care of the 2 teenagers by myself. All right, so enough about me. I got the micro needling pen, DrPen M8, my second one. So the story is, I bought my first one on Amazon. I used it for over a year, and now it stopped working. It's just not moving the needles in and out, so it stopped working, so I had to buy a new one. In the meantime, I bought the other one on AliExpress, and that was for my brother, and it's working. It's the same thing basically. This one, I bought it from Walmart website. Surprise, right? And I was also surprised because the price on Walmart website was the same price like getting from AliExpress and free shipping. So I paid for this pen $60 with tax. That was like $57 without tax. So $60 with tax, free shipping, and it came in like, I think like 4 days. So fast delivery and the same price like if you will get from AliExpress from China and wait 1 month for the delivery. And on Amazon, for this pen, you will pay at least $150. So if you want, I'm gonna post the link to Walmart so you can see that that's what it is, the price. So that's how it comes in this box. So it's the same like I got it before. It comes in the box. There is a charger in there probably. So a little manual. This one came with 2 cartridges, I see. Which one? 16 needle. Okay. So there's 2 16 needle cartridges included. Charger. Obviously this pen is like you can use it while connected to the outlet, and you can use it wirelessly, but you have to charge it before. One time, I think during the treatment, I think on my video, I think the battery went out and I connected and I still use it connected. So it comes in this kind of thing. So yeah, it's exactly the same. And to compare, I'm just gonna show you my older one. If I have it here. Yes. The one that is broken. This is the one that is broken. Yep. So they're exactly the same. The one that is broken actually is a little bit darker. But yeah, they're exactly the same. I don't know if this one is charged because it's new. Oh yeah, it is charged. And my old one also level 1, but this one is just broken because it wasn't moving up and down. But yeah, exactly the same if you order from China or from you know, Walmart, Amazon. It's just Amazon obviously gonna be more expensive, but you're gonna get it faster. Yeah, see, this old one came in this kind of cover too, like the new one. So yeah, I'm excited. I finally got my pen and I can do my microneedling treatment next, maybe in, I think like 2 or 3 weeks, because I did the last time with my different pen, but M8 is my favorite one, so this is the one I'm gonna be using. So that's why I couldn't wait to get it. But it's exactly the same box and everything, the same. It has even the scratch and check whatever testing testing if it's original US model. Yeah, exactly the same. All right, so I think that's it. That was just my quick video. Sorry for the head, but I had some procedure done last time. I think the video is already up. I was doing baby plasma, I'm calling it. So basically Fraxel plasma with the Fraxel attachment. So like I'm calling it baby plasma. So I'm kind of red, and I didn't want to use any foundation on it, just leave it to breathe and heal. So that's why I'm just like, I'm just gonna put my back ahead. Fake one, people, fake one. I think from China too. All right, thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for all your likes and subscribes. Really appreciate. Thank you. Bye.